What is the least expensive garage door material? The least expensive garage door material is typically steel. Steel doors are generally the most affordable option because they are easy to manufacture and widely available. These doors are made from a thin sheet of steel, often with an insulation layer for added energy efficiency. Steel doors come in a variety of finishes, ranging from basic, unpainted versions to more decorative ones designed to resemble wood. While steel doors are budget-friendly, there are some downsides to consider. They can be prone to rust, especially if the protective coating is scratched or damaged, making them require more maintenance in areas with high humidity or salty air. Despite this, steel doors are durable, offer good security, and are low maintenance compared to other materials. For homeowners on a budget who want a functional, long-lasting option, steel garage doors are a great choice. However, it's important to think about the potential for rust and maintenance needs, as well as whether a higher-end material might offer better long-term benefits. If you're willing to take proper care of your steel door, it can serve you well for many years. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your priorities, whether it's initial cost savings or long-term durability.